Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. This is how to cut ginger. To start out, you need to peel your ginger. We like to use a spoon. It easily gets into all the nooks and crannies of that ginger. That smells so good. So if the recipe calls for minced ginger, one of the best ways to do it is just use a grater. Perfectly minced without any effort. Now, if you don't have a grater, you can simply use a knife, get a good firm grip at the base of the knife, and then there's no real trick. Just cut it up several times until it's in small pieces. And that is it. That is how to cut ginger. If you'd like to see more of our knife skills videos, all of our recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.